this team lost more than $34,000 worth of fireworks here at this fireworks stand, money that could have gone towards football and the cheer program, just like many other teams in the area. This is the biggest fundraiser of the year, so now they're coping and trying to figure out how they're going to be able to recover from this. Partially empty shelves now line the Dale Compa Jr. Cougars fireworks stand after thieves broke in and stole thousands of dollars in merchandise.
So that's like $34,000 worth of fireworks gone.
The athletic director says he arrived early Monday morning to open the stand when he noticed the container doors were already open.
I turned around and I looked and seen everything wiped out of the Connex box.
The fireworks normally generate critical funds for the program, supporting equipment and scholarships for more than 100 kids.
They gave us $36,000 worth of fireworks. We sold a little bit, but once all the inventory is gone, now we're on the hook for it all.
Now the team owes $34,000 to Phantom Fireworks, the vendors they partner with.
You guys know I'm not going to make anything for a fundraiser because everything I make, I have to get back to them.
And while Phantom did agree to replace some inventory, what they received was far from full restock.
We're missing down here. We're not very stocked like we were. They didn't, when they came back and gave us fireworks, they didn't give us everything.
With parents and volunteers putting in countless hours, many say it's heartbreaking to see someone take from something meant to help kids in their own community.
They have to come back up with that and to be able to help support those other kids that need the support.
They hope whoever did this understands the damage goes beyond dollars.
Help these kids, it's devastating them. You're hurting them.
They're asking right now for everybody to come out and support them by fireworks at 5800 Madison Avenue. For those interested in making a donation, they currently do have a GoFundMe page. You can find a link to that on our website, fox40.com. As far as any leads, the Sacramento Sheriff's Office is currently investigating. In Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Christina Bautista, Fox 40 News.